Hey again, guys, welcome back to my channel. I got yet another one of these 80 packs from Dollarama, $4 for 80 repackaged cards. They'll all be base. Then again, you don't buy these for inserts because there isn't any. You can hear my PlayStation 4 in the background, boys. Essa Lindell, Yuri Hudler, Kent Manderville, I remember that guy. Flyers team card. Ray Bork, Colorado. Danny Lambert. JC Bergeron. I believe that's his rookie card, boys. Adam Creighton. Mike Vernon. Dave Ellett. Tom Fitzgerald. Bobby Smith, former Montreal Canadiens. Alexei Kazatonov. Alf Samuelson Parkey, I just got this card yesterday. Matthew Schneider, Montreal Canadiens. Valerie Zelapukin, best last name in hockey. Lyle Odeline, Montreal Canadiens. Look at the full of them today. Alexander Vusinov, I don't know, never heard of that guy. Oh, look at that, a vintage, wait a sec. Yeah, Topps Retro. Daniel Offerson. Evgeny Nabokov. San Jose Sharks. Dave Manson. Gordy Roberts. Jamie Langenbrunner. A gold Parker's card. See, it comes in, this is the parallel. See, it's a gold Parkey, that's the regular set, and that's not on there in the regular set. Mario Marois. Curtis Joseph, Marty Murray, Doug Smale, another Dave Manson, Brian Bradley, fourth Habs card, boys, Shane Corson, Jonas Forsberg, Mike Ramsey, what is this, Leaf, Derek King, New York Islanders team card with David Volek on the cover, Troy Gamble, Gregory Ryan, Jason Allison. It's been a while since I got these OHL cards. Chris Taylor, RJ Umberger, and Andrew Shaw, now with the Montreal Canadiens. Alright, that was side one. Let's take a boot, side two. Wayne Simmons, Eric Gunbranson, Ron Francis. See, there's the Parkers with no gold Parkey on the bottom left. Derek King, New Jersey Devils team card from Pro Set. Peter Sidorkiewicz, I think he used to play with the Hartford Whalers. Nathan Dempsey, Adam Creighton, Glenn Anderson, Tom Fitzgerald, Brian Propp, Darren Pupa, Matt Ravlich, retro vintage card. Mo Mantha, Joe Nieuwendyk, Garth Butcher, former Vancouver Canucks, Kevin Hatcher, Josh Bailey, Matthew Corrente from the Saginaw Spirit, never heard of that guy, OP Trimmer, Pat LaFontaine, NHL rookie of Jamie Storr, probably his rookie card, boys, Joe Mullen from the Flames, Neil Sheehy, I've never heard of this guy. Evgeny Davidov, star rookie. Joel Otto. Al Iafrate. Edmonton Oilers Stanley Cup. Scott Stevens, look at the corner, boys. Dinged up. Kerry Wilson. Paul Fenton. Doug Bodger. Claude Lemieux. Gary Nyland of the Calgary Flames. Is that a Flames card? No, New York Islanders, sorry. Chris Joseph. Oh, more OHL. Todd Hunter, Ryan O'Neill, Kevin McKay. Upper Deck Portfolio. Marion Gaborik, and James Reamer. I've actually seen his house. He has a summer house about 20 minutes away from me. So, yeah, he's got a big yard. Alright, thanks for watching.